The practitioner in this case suffered a marriage breakdown and the stress of providing maintenance for his ex-wife and 6 children. He then remarried and took on 3 stepchildren. All of this put him under considerable financial pressure, and unfortunately, he reacted to that pressure in one of the worst ways possible for a legal practitioner. Essentially, what happened is that he diverted funds that were payable by clients, so that instead of those funds going from the trust account to the office account, the funds went from the trust account to him personally. He kept this up for about 3.5 years, but inevitably, it eventually all came unstuck. He wasn't charged with any criminal offences, and the Chief Justice was clearly very cranky about that. But there were always going to be professional consequences. The argument before the court was that he should be suspended from practice rather than struck off, because the money he stole was properly payable by clients. It's just that the money they paid went to him rather than to the firm. So, in a sense, he was stealing from the firm rather than stealing from the clients. The court did not accept this distinction, or at least they did not accept that the level of dishonesty displayed by the practitioner was somehow less significant because the funds stolen were not client funds. Chief Justice King said, "The proper use of suspension is, in my opinion, for those cases in which a legal practitioner has fallen below the high standards to be expected of such a practitioner, but not in such a way as to indicate that he lacks the qualities of character and trustworthiness which are the necessary attributes of a person entrusted with the responsibilities of a legal practitioner. There is no escape from the fact that he engaged in a course of fraudulent conduct extending over 3.5 years and involving trust monies. He has shown himself to be unfit to be a legal practitioner, and in my opinion, the only appropriate order is for him to be struck off the roll of practitioners." From this case, we learn that when considering whether a practitioner should be suspended or struck off, the court will consider whether the practitioner's conduct suggests that they can no longer be regarded as having the personal qualities necessary for legal practice.